Today I'm working on a 2003 Mercedes Sl55, just showing you how to replace the throttle pedal. First thing you want to do is get underneath the dash here and remove these fasteners here. They're Torx fasteners. I think it's a T20. So, yep, T20. Pull that one off, this one off, and this one off, and then you can pull this plastic panel right down. I'll show you what that looks like. Alright, with that kind of pulled down, you can get to the connectors. So there's this little connector here. You just push in this little tab and then wiggle that out of there. Like that. And then this one for your OBD2 port, you actually slide this like that, slide that back, and then you can pull the connector straight out. So after that, the rest, this just comes right out of there. So lay that to the side. Also, for removing that, you want to push in your e-brake here, so push this little pedal in. Now you can see the whole throttle pedal pretty good. You want to get a little screwdriver right here and pop this little cap off. So with that cap pulled off, you can see there's a 10mm nut underneath here. So take that nut off there, and then I'll show you what to do next. Alright, with that nut off there, right here, lighting better, you can just pull up on the bottom of the pedal, and then you can slide the top out. So you'll see the little harness connector back here. Maybe you will. Let me see if I can get this position. A little connector, and once you get the pedal loose, it's a little bit easier to get your hand back there and disconnect it. So you just want to push in the tabs on both sides. Like, I'm sorry, this is not ideal. But back here on this, you can push in like that on both sides and then pull this straight up. So as you can see, sometimes they fight. If you can't get it like this, you'll have to use a little hook tool. You don't want to pull on the harness too much, so don't go crazy. But there it is. Now you pull it straight off, and here's your whole pedal assembly. There's the position sensor there, which you can replace separately. It just unbolts right from the side. But here's the new throttle pedal assembly. So take that, line up that hole right there. You can plug in the plug first. Line up that little hole. You see the hole in the plate up above it. Once that's in place, then this bottom will drop onto that stud. Then you just put the nut in there. Once you tighten that nut, you can put the little cap on, and then you shove the pedal until this lines up with this little pin on the new one, and then just shove this pin through. You'll see the hole here. Push that in, shove that through, and then put the cover back on, and it's all set. So pretty easy throttle pedal to replace, and clear your faults and you should be good. Thanks for watching.